finna get the Scat.
Remember, I ain't have a whip, now I'm sliding through the sea.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jamie here, back with another video, man. Right now, I'm with my boy Scat over there. We're looking at this, we're looking at this Scat pack right quick right now. Sky in the Stat. I'm sorry, I'm tripping. We're trying to get Sky in the Scat. You know what I'm saying? This is a real nice 392 SRT. That's a little real good. I don't know if these are Hellcat rims, cause I'm not a Dodge fan, but I'm just, they look like Hellcat rims to me. But we're just basically trying to get Sky, try to see what. He talking over me, so I can't really understand. But we're just trying to see what all we gotta do, what all he gotta do to get approved for it, and see what it is. Oh, this one thing I love about man, this, but my car ain't got this.
Put the windows down.
The space. It feels so comfortable back here.
Got that weak ass Mustang.
Boy, if you don't.
Hey, chill.
Don't hit it down here.
Got some pressure to it, man. I'm telling you, those Scats ain't no joke. What mode you in? You like a track mode, or it's like a certain mode you in?
So this one is in, so the traction is off on it.
Okay, I got you.
We'll just do a big whoop. Whoop.
Man, hit 70 quick, bro. Bro, that Scat ain't no joke. I'm telling you.
So the traction control is off on it because of it's in track mode.
The wheel spin feel good. But what surprises me the most is how this joint is really, it's handling. Like, it haven't done nothing crazy yet. Like,
I mean, it's heavy.
if y'all ever in the Nashville area, y'all know who to hit up.
Yeah, they're really nice.
My boy Taiwan
Appreciate
and Freeland.
that,
What all you got, like, as far as like, you got like full exhaust?
I don't give away anything about my
Oh, man.
I'm one of them, man. I'm one of them.
Oh, that's cool. It is cool. Shaker. That's why people think it's a Hellcat. It should sound like a Hellcat. It should like a Hellcat. But the only thing you missing is the wine. You is all you need. You want to hear my car?
Huh?
You want to hear my car?
Oh, yeah.
You said you be going
What, 3.7 or 4.0?
3.37?
Yeah.
People ask me,
Roush exhaust setup?
yeah.
That's why.
That's the I should have went. I wasn't thinking when I did it. I should have went full exhaust, but all I got is exhaust. Like,
Okay.
yeah, I should have went with the long tubes and the S pipe.
Yeah.
I ain't do none of that. That's something I gotta do, but I be up in the air about it cause
Yeah.
I don't know if I trade it in or not. So that's the only thing.
Pay that motherfucker off, man.
Yeah, I might, but you
Keep building that credit, because I'm telling you, if you ever go broke, but you got, you know, some good credit, you can take out $100,000 if you need to. You know what I mean? Just for something. If you want to start up your own business, they ain't gonna think twice about it.
Yeah, that's
because you got that credit and you done proved, you know.
Yeah, and that make a lot of sense too.
Yeah.
You can't be broke and not have credit either.
Don't think short term, man. Think, you know, long term. A lot of people, you know, it's gonna take time, but shit, you never know what'll happen. You can have what you want. Y'all keep, you know, doing y'all thing with the recording or whatever you do, just give your all. Shit, a blessing may come your way and you just get rich out of nowhere.
That's how it is, though.
You know, you ain't at that point, build that credit. Because credit is worth more than any dollar amount you got.
Yeah.
Because credit, it proves trustworthiness. I ain't gonna lie, if you was able to check credit for like a job, and like if that was a requirement, if people had bad credit and I'm the boss, I ain't hiring them. You can't trust them. You know?
You can't.
Like if one of my employees needs some money and I loan it out to them and your credit shot, you know, you want people you can trust in your surroundings.
Yeah. You just know you ain't getting that money back. As soon as you give it to them, you know you ain't getting it back. It's just like my mama. I get her money. Oh, I know I ain't getting it back. You know what I'm saying? We ain't get the Scat. We ain't get the Scat.
Ugly ass alter.
Damn, nigga, like you
Piece
done?
of shit ass.
Niggas ain't grateful. Niggas got cars with 4 tires on them. You know what I'm saying? Niggas dissing their cars now. That's how we doing it. Can we get the Scat today? Well, can we get the Scat today? That's how we doing it. I know y'all probably wondering where the fuck I'm at now.
Yeah, Jamie told me I had to cut out a lot of my gang activity shit, so I can't be throwing up shit.
Look at this.
What?
You can't help it, man. You can't help it. Yeah, we're gonna head to the mall, definitely about some shit. Popping by these 14, if they in there, me Scat and definitely about them hoes. And what nigga?
I ain't buying them shit.
Oh my god, bro. Ooh, we got like some 20 whole 30s on that hoe, bro.
Damn, that boy lifted, man.
Damn, that hoe. That shit fresh as hell, bro. That shit clean as hell, bro. Memphis? Yeah. Oh, he's swinging in traffic. Oh, look at that hoe. That hoe skates, bro. He swerving, that nigga live in hell.
I can ride my motherfucking skateboard under that nigga.
Bro, he on skates, dog. Okay, so me and Sky did buy hard drives.
You can't be recording when I'm recording, bro. I was already recording, man. Shit.
We bought some hard drives. Sky already bought a 1 terabyte not too long ago. Now he bought the 2 terabyte. Or
Sky probably got 900 gigs left on the other one.
Yeah, he probably do. So it was kind of worth it for him to buy it.
I mean, low key, it's been like freezing up on me because I got so much shit on there.
Damn, see? Need that.
I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit on my business. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image. Who want to smoke?
We on the ass of this car in front of us. What the fuck y'all doing? You better speed up. Derrick got the guard on the side of the fucking door. You play with us, your ass gon' die hard. Oh, that man don't know what
bitch, I let them fucking shit spray. Sky can't rap, boy. Yeah, that nigga is gay.
I was gone. This the motherfucking outro, outro. But that's the end of the video. Sky ain't get the Scat. You know, we all know that he ain't get the Scat. We gotta. Yeah, it's like a huge process. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit up the boy Taiwan at Freeland with this shit. Focus Taiwan. Real cool, humble young guy. Got his head on right, head straight, shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm fucking up because I'm sleepy. In the video, man, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. If you dislike it, dislike it.
If you dislike it, your mama a hoe, your granny a hoe.
Your mom's a hoe.
You can dislike it because this pussy ain't get the Scat, so you can dislike that hoe. But
hey, y'all comment on his channel, Hot Girl Sky, and on his Twitter at The Real Sky.
I'm gonna drop the link to DERRICK channel down below. You know what I'm saying? Even though he don't post shit on there no more, but hopefully you guys will get him going and motivated to post some shit. And then, you know, Sky got a channel.
I'm gonna start posting like photography videos.
Yeah, Sky do this little own thing with photography and stuff like that. So I'm gonna drop both of their links down below. And
hey, follow Fatboy Mafia, PHATBOIMAFIA on Instagram.
Get that merch.
We got a website too.
Get your merch.
Fatboymafia.com.
I'll put it all in the description. But
get your merch.
Thank God for watching this video, and I guess you can say that I'm out. We out. Scott, you got something to say? Any last words?
Oh.
Yeah.
You should clip a whole bunch of shit this guy says and make it one sentence.
That's just long ass shit. But we out this video. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Continue to fuck with your boy. Keep on watching my video because this is what I'm here for.
Why you rubbing your hair like you got hair, bro?
On me, boom, bada bing, bitch, we told a lot.